Candied pecans really are delicious. They are sweet and salty. So good. We're going to now candy some pecans. I have 1 egg white and a tablespoon of water in this bowl. I'm going to whisk it until it's frothy. We'll add our pecans. Add a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of spice, more than half of the ground cinnamon, a little bit of coriander, and a little bit of ginger, and then a teaspoon of salt. It's gonna have a sweet saltiness to it. I have a Dutch oven liner that is lined with parchment paper. Put a spacer down, a liner down, put the pecans in. Let's go over to the hot coals. We're gonna candy these at 300. Putting 6 on the bottom for my 5-quart and 12 on top. If you want to know the math on how I get to that to make a 300-degree oven, click on the video description. Stir these every 15 minutes for an hour and restart some coals probably at the 15-minute mark to put them on for the 30-minute mark. The pecans have been in here for an hour. Look at that! Okay, I'm going to have to work pretty quick with it, so we'll take it back to the table. I'm going to spoon these into little clusters. Ow! It's hot. Now I'm going to put the candy pecans on.